You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is h smaller than 10. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the h. Divide both sides by negative 0.4. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is h smaller than 10.